If you want to enjoy stunning, fresh-cut bouquets for weeks on end, discover Dahlias. They come in an extraordinary range of forms, heights, and vibrant colors. Every flower looks like a work of art, and in combination, they're show-stopping. Give dahlias full sun and well-drained soil, and they're super easy to grow. Some gardeners treat them as annuals, while others dig up the tubers in late fall and store them over winter. Replant them the following year to start the show anew. Here's a quick tour of some of our favorite varieties. Dinner plate dahlias, the show-offs of the dahlia family, sport enormous blooms that can grow 12 inches across. Consider the award-winning Otto's Thrill, Dazzling Bristol Stripe, or the delicate Café au lait twist. Cactus dahlias sport distinctive rolled petals that give them a playful, spiky appearance. Brightly colored Firebird, attractively speckled Cambridge, and vivid purple gem are a few examples. Fimbrietta dahlias are distinguished by fringed or serrated tips, which provide interesting texture. Try the ornate Lindsay Michelle, elegant pink impact, or unusual striped ambition. Ball dahlias bring a totally different form with their perfectly symmetrical globe-shaped blossoms. Choices range from giant blooms like pumpkin-colored Sylvia or miniature ones like the early blooming Creamy. While many dahlias grow so tall they require staking, there are shorter options suitable for containers or the front of a garden border. Have a look at the jazzy Go-Go Speckled or the apricot-colored Gallery Art Deco. For bigger variety on a smaller budget, try the Go-Go Mixed Value Pack. Finally, Karma dahlias make great cut flowers even better. They're bred for exceptionally strong stems and a 7 to 12-day vase life, a bouquet lover's dream. Enjoy sunny Karma Gold, brightly colored Bombini, or the mixed hues of Inspiration Blend. These are just a small sampling of our dahlia offerings. Click the link below to visit our website and explore dozens of exquisite choices that will delight every cut flower lover. And for more ways to make gardening easy, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.